Hi, everybody. Today we're going to do lesson 7-6, factoring trinomials. We're going to do where there's a positive middle term and a negative last term. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's fine. I'll show you in a minute. First, we're going to start off with the two types of factoring trinomials that we've done so far. So number one is x squared plus 6x. And then plus 8. Sorry. Second one is x squared minus 6x and then plus 8. Okay, so I want you to pause this and try to do these. These are the two that we've covered already. Okay, factors of 8. 1 times 8, 2 times 4, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So let's see, 2 plus 4 is 6. So 2 and a 4. That means these guys come down into parentheses. The parentheses I usually call double bubble once we get going into this, only because parentheses is a pain in the neck to say and double bubble is fun. So here's my x and x that give me x squared. So x times x is x squared. Then we have a positive 2 and a positive 4. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 plus 4 is 6, and that's how we did those. So that was when you had two positives. It's the easiest one. Two positives gives you a positive. Positive, positive. Okay, so let's do the next one. So the factors of 8 are the same. 1 times 8, 2 times 4. But look at this. In this case, the 2 and the 4, when you multiply, give positive 8, but when you add them, you don't get negative 6, you get positive 6. So the thought is, what can we do to these two numbers, negative 2 and negative 4? We're going to change the signs. I should have put this in the box, sorry. This is 8, and this is negative 6. Negative 6. And so we said it's going to be a 2 and a 4 because 2 plus 4 equals 6. But we have to change the signs. If the signs aren't good, we have to change them. Negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. And negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6. So we have good numbers here. Okay, I'm just always double checking to make sure they're really working. Sometimes it looks like it's working and it really isn't. Just like this pen I'm using. So it's going to be x minus 2, x minus 4. Sorry if that's a little messy. Okay, box your answer so you know what you're talking about there. Okay, so what we're going to do today is instead of doing something like number 2 where it was a subtraction then an addition, we're going to do something where it's an addition then a subtraction. So example 1. Okay, example 1 says n squared plus 4n minus 12. I have to erase that. Minus 12. Okay? We do exactly the same process. Make your x. Put the last number in the top and the middle number on the bottom. We need two numbers that multiply to be 12. Just worry about the 12 for now. 1 times 12. Now, look at that. Is it ever going to be a 4, whether we add it or subtract it? Well, add 12 and 1, you get 13. Subtract 12 and 1, you get 12 minus 1, which is 11. Yikes. Okay, so that's never going to give you a 4. How about 2 times 6? Well, let's see. 2 plus 6 is 8. But 6 minus 2 is 4. You see that? You can switch the order of the numbers, of course. So 6 minus 2 gives you a 4. Now let's go back and change this to a negative 2. Negative 2 times 6 gives you the negative 12. So then it all works out in the end. So it's a negative 2 and a 6. Double bubble. We have x minus 2. We're just dropping these two numbers in. X plus 6. Okay, if you need to go back and listen to that, be my guest. Hit rewind. All right, let's do example 2. Okay, example 2 is x squared plus x minus 90. All right, we make our x. Oh, I made the x over there. Okay, I don't like it there. Hold on. Okay, so magically, I'm going to put the x underneath here instead. Okay, so last number, oh, negative 90. Middle number, well, remember, there's an x there, but there's actually a 1x there, so you put a 1. Now, I want to point something out to you. You never put a variable in the x, okay? There's no variables in the x, so if you have a middle term of x, you have to realize that that's a 1x. Okay, so, oh my gosh, factors of 90. 90 times 1. Well, I'll do 1 times 90. 2 times 45. And I'm just thinking in my head, is 90 and 1 ever going to give you a 1? No. Is 45 and 2 ever going to give you a 1 if you add or subtract? No way. All right, 3 times 30, which if I add or subtract, I will not get a 1. 4 times nothing. 5 times 18. Is that going to get you a 1? No. 6 times 1, 5. 6 times 15. And I've just run out of room, so I'm going to erase these, but none of them work. 6 and 15 would be 21 or 9. I'm going to erase these. 6 and 15. So let's see. Do we have a 7? Does 7 go into 90? No. 8? No. 9. Yes. 9 goes in 10 times. So 9 times 10. Okay. So now let's think about this. 9 plus 10 is 19. We don't want that. What about 10 minus 9? 10 minus 9 is 1, right? 10 minus 9. So 10 and negative 9. Now let's just check. Is that going to multiply to be the right number? 10 times negative 9 is negative 90. And 10 minus 9 is 1. And that's our pair of numbers, factor pairs that we want to use. Okay, so now we double bubble, drop an x in each, drop the left side of the x in 10, and the right side, the negative 9, in the other side. Box your answer, and move on. Okay. Number 3. Again, please just stop when you get lost and rewind. Or look at the next problem, see if you get that one instead. X squared plus 2x minus 24, number 3. Okay, make our x. Put a negative 24 in the top and a 2 in the bottom. So we're looking for two numbers that are going to multiply to 24, actually negative 24, but I'm just going to worry about the 24 for now. 1 times 24, 2 times 12. Now, I'm looking for these two numbers to add up to 2, by the way. So 24 and 1 never going to work. 12 and 2, you're never going to get a 2 out of those, whether you add or subtract. What do we have next? So we have 3 times 8. Well, 3 times 8 is 24. 3 plus 8 is 11. 8 minus 3 is a 5. We want a 2. It doesn't work. All right, so 4 times 6. Ding, 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 ding. 6 minus 4 is 2. And so I'm going to change this 4 to a negative. Negative 4 times 6 is negative 24. So we could put a negative 4 and a 6. Therefore, we double bubble, drop x's in each, Then we drop -4 in the left and +6 in the right. -4 times 6 is -24. -4 plus 6 is +2. Box it. Oh, shoot. Don't erase it. Just box it. Let me see. I'm going to fix that. Oh, magic. Okay, that's 3. One more together, and then I'm going to give you 4 to try on your own. All right, 4. X squared plus 3x minus 54. Okay, so x, we get a -54 in the top and a 3 in the bottom. Last goes in the top, middle goes in the bottom. Okay, so we need factors of 54. Ugh. Sorry, I don't like when there's a lot of them. 1 times 54, 2 times 27. Anything getting you a 3 yet? No. 3 times 1, 8, 18. 4 times, no. 5 times, no. 6 times 9. Oh, I see it. 6 times 9 is 54. We're going to have to fix that. We know that. We're looking for a 3. 6 plus 9 is 15. 9 minus 6 equals 3. And so we're going to change this 6 to a negative. Now I put my 9, my -6, I double bubble, drop an X in each, put a 9 plus 9 here, and subtract 9 or subtract 6 or on here, on this one, box it, move on. That's it. Hopefully this is getting easier for you if you were having trouble in the beginning. Please come on, ask me questions during live chat from 11 to 11:30 on Google Meet. And that's it. Oh, wait. I have to give you the problems. Oh, I almost forgot to give you the homework. Hold on. When I come back, you're going to see the homework answers. Homework questions. Okay, so write these down, work them out. Hit pause first, work them out, and then when you come back, I'll have answers up for you. Okay, here are the answers. Number 3, I had the wrong number, so I changed it. So if you had trouble with that one, well, there's why. So I meant it to be a minus 36 at the end. Okay, well, everybody have a great day, and I miss you. Bye.